tired. You ready, bro?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, this is so cool. You see the front part?
Dang. Lo rayé, man.
So how many stickers are here?
40 pack.
40? Oh, I gotta put these stickers on too.
Where you at?
I think I was in the background.
Oh, alright, we'll give you photo crazy. Photo struggling, but he's
Yeah, I'm struggling.
That's
There
because
you
there's a
go.
black one in there, that's why he's struggling.
Because I don't want to damage my box.
I
so.
damaged Lo rayé, man.
Hey, but before we start, we got our sponsors right here. We
Coke.
got Coke,
Kane,
Canes, and Costco right here. Because we got this box from Costco.
shout out, Luis.
Yeah. So it comes with the album. Okay.
The stadium. Bro, the last World Cup album came with stickers in here.
Oh yeah, inside?
And this is the first one that didn't. Go, bro. Battery low. Oh, it's not recording this whole time?
Okay.
Oh, it is recording?
Yeah, we got production in the back.
Alright, so I think it has a hole for every country. So when you open them,
Ooh, that's cool. Okay.
alright,
So let's start opening our first.
alright, I'm gonna put my trash in.
Wait, it has pink in the back.
I don't have a pink. Oh, I do. Oh, they all have pink?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
So first one.
I got an escudo.
Okay.
Looks like what? ¿Qué países?
Okay, nothing good on this one.
Alright, next.
Nothing good in here. I don't like it. Let's open the second one.
It's only 40 packs. Turkey, blue, Turkey, L.
Nothing good on this one. So far, nothing good, Leo.
Are you grabbing from the same hole?
Yes. Yeah.
Alright, me too.
I think so. So this is number
Three?
3. Okay.
Portugal, Portuguese, Joshua Kimmich.
Nothing good.
I'll put my shiny ones in the starting spot. Okay.
Nothing good right now.
Come on, Costco.
We're getting bad luck, Leo. Look at my hat. We're getting bad luck. Number 4.
Alright, if we don't get anything good, I'm gonna open a Coke. I'm sorry, the fans are over there. Escudo de Argentina, I didn't have this one.
Ooh, that's cool. Nothing good on here. Mm-mm.
Alvaro Morata, Mo Salah. This is the only good pull.
Nothing good right so far. Number 5.
What'd you say? You said quiet on set?
Okay, we got Croatia. I got Irving Lozano, Chucky.
Oh, nice.
I got Chucky Lozano.
Got a German,
Nothing good so far.
Belgium Escudo. I like the Escudo.
Number 6. I can smell Cristiano Ronaldo here.
I can smell Messi go black.
Like skin black or like,
No, we're about to get canceled, bro.
okay, nothing
Is
good.
that 10?
Nothing good so far.
Another Argentina team.
Nothing good. Okay. Was it number 8, 7?
7. We're at 6, now we're at 7.
Okay, number 7. I got the India. Ooh!
Let me see, bro.
I got Cristiano Ronaldo number 7, baby.
So, Show the
I
camera.
gotta show it to the camera, to the
Bro,
fans.
let me get some more good, bro.
That's his last
So
World Cup.
you got 7 on pack 7?
Yeah,
Bro, I got nobody good, bro.
I got 7 and pack 7 dice.
Okay.
Sorry, we got fans waiting outside.
There,
So
there. Alright, let's go Coke.
yeah, we gotta drink Coke. If you haven't get your Cokes, go to the nearest store and drink Coke.
And water.
Mostly water.
Alright, pack 8, pack 8.
Number 8. Okay, nothing good.
Uruguay portero.
We
A
got
blue.
Mexican player. Nothing good so far.
Alright, who's gonna be the first one to get a red one? Red or purple?
Yeah, we need some color reports right now.
I
We need-
got a blue.
Okay, number.
We got Ecuador. Another blue. France, Switzerland. I got the Brazil team.
Nothing good on this one.
Costco, how many you got Costco? We better cancel our membership. We better go to Sam's.
Number
I
9.
don't know, bro.
Number 9, number 10.
1,
I think it's number 9, right?
3, 4,
Check the bar, please.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Number 10.
10 out of 40. See, Doug. Oh, I got the Mexico school. I didn't have this one.
Ooh, GOAT.
Look at me.
Shout out to Mexico.
Champions 2026.
Oh, yeah. I will wait for you because I'm going too fast. Sorry,
Oh,
Leo.
I'll
I'm very
Alright.
excited.
So this is the last one out of mine on this one.
Yeah, I think I messed it up. This one's right here. Sorry.
Alright, 11.
Number 11, guys. Number 11.
Morocco is cool. Bro, I got a purple.
Ooh, first purple.
Purple is Team Australia. What y'all think, chat? Let us know in the comments below what y'all think about that purple one.
I don't have nothing so far.
Oh, what is this, bro? Oh, it's Uzbekistan. I don't think I have this one.
We're gonna do double check on the bar.
Alright, my bad. I'm going too slow, bro.
Nothing good on my side. Just so far, I just got Cristiano Ronaldo. That's the only good player.
Alright, so we're done with the first 11.
Okay.
Or was that 12? I got a purple one and the Mexico Escudo. We got Bosnia. Blue. Turkey. Nothing good. What are the words?
Nothing good here.
Alright, we're speeding it up a little bit because
Nothing good.
Leah's supposed to hurry up.
Oh, I got the Spain team.
Okay.
Okay, I got first Argentina. I got the Portugal team as well.
I got no team roll. I got Christian Ronaldo. Christian Ronaldo. No, roll down.
Hold on.
Bad, bro.
I haven't get a purple. I mean, or a pink.
I'm missing Lamine Yamal. That's all I need from this pack. I got Republic of South Africa. Is cool though. I don't know that one.
Nothing good in here. Nothing good. If you want to donate so we can open more boxes, please, we're going to leave a link below or the video, right, Leo?
Yeah, we'll put the link below. Look at this one. World Cup qualifiers. What's that?
Well, that's cool, no?
Is this our first World Cup or something? I don't know.
That's from the last World Cup.
I don't know. I don't know why it says that. Let us know in the comments below, chat, if you'll know.
Okay,
Let's go.
we're going to open this one. I haven't get no black sticker or pink or purple.
I got a blank sticker right. No, just kidding, chat.
You're being racist?
No. No.
I got a first Argentina guy.
I got a one.
So far, nothing good on my side, Leo.
I got Brazil championship, shiny.
It's not looking good. We should just call Costco and say give us the money back.
They sent us the wrong box. Australia, Jordan, Paraguay, Norway, Jorge. We got Jorge Sanchez.
Nothing
I already have
good
Jorge
here.
Sanchez though.
Nothing good here.
Hope you don't get called up.
This is not
¿Qué anda
good.
haciendo,
Guys.
Lea?
This is not good, guys.
Guy from Jordan. Guy with crazy hair, blue.
This is not
Jude
good.
Bellingham. I got Jude Bellingham. Doug or
We
no?
got my wife's boyfriend.
Chillon. He looks like he's gonna cry.
Leo, nothing black on my side. This is not good, Leo.
I mean, we got one purple. We pulled one purple. Canada.
Nothing good on my side either.
I got Italy championship sticker. Hasn't been to the World Cup since 2010.
That's sad. I hope all my Italy people get better in soccer.
2030. Italy 2030.
Last one, no?
Yeah.
Last one,
We
guys.
got Egypt, Scotland, Ivan Perisic, Julian Alvarez, Luis Diaz, Dembele. I mean, that's a good pack.
Nothing good on my side, Leo.
Dembele.
Nothing good. Alright,
Oh, tell us, Finn.
we're going to the other side.
We're halfway done, chat.
Halfway, nothing good on my side, Leo.
I believe. I got Iraq.
I got the Portugal.
I got the
Sorry, we got ambulance right outside the studio.
the dude recién bañado.
Yeah. We got fans crazy right now outside. So security. Security.
Yeah.
Security. Security. Sorry, security's gonna come right now.
And you escort the fan.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, nothing good here.
I got the guitar. I got a couple
Ooh, I got Federico Valverde.
Valverde. Uruguay is a sleeper, even though they're not taking Luis Suarez.
Oh yeah, that's sad.
So we got Neymar going.
Ooh, I got my first red sticker. And it's Argentina, but no Messi.
Otamendi. We got
Okay.
Reece James, Paraguay. Another Ivan. What world Mexicans have?
I'm gonna drink Coke so I can get lucky.
Yeah, sponsor the coach. We want to go to the Portugal game in Houston.
You're gonna open the bag. Okay, I got another blue sticker, but
Got
not a
Uruguay
good player.
team.
Nothing good, Leo.
Oh, I got Luis Suarez.
Ooh, okay, Luis Suarez, but from Colombia.
That was the wrong one.
Yeah, the wrong Luis Suarez.
Fan, why do you look so bored?
Can we open the pack?
Uh,
Alright, let's keep going.
I
The last one. How about you can open the last one? The last pack? Alright, they can open the last
I got my second Cristiano Ronaldo on the day.
Oh, on the day.
My GOAT.
I got Kevin De Bruyne.
Kevin De Bruyne, okay.
Bro, no Messi. Oh, I got a red one.
Ooh,
Wait, where's this pink?
Oh, yeah, it is pink.
From Uruguay?
I think I got the wrong box, guys. We're gonna have a.
We'll talk after this.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about this later. I got my first Chino.
Cochino?
Yeah, Japan.
Oh
Nothing
I
good
got
here.
Portugal. El escudo de Portugal.
Nothing good here.
How much are the pink ones? How rare are the pink ones?
We're gonna have to check on the dark website.
Oh, no, it says right here, though. It says pink is 1 out of 77. Luca.
Shout out to Luca. I hope he comes back on the Mavericks.
Got the Colombia escudo. I just need Lamine Yamal. I'm wearing the Lamine. Oh, I got Carlos Rodriguez, who's not going to the World Cup.
Oh no, that's sad.
What do you think?
I'm still waiting for my black sticker. Nothing yet. This is not good. Nothing
So
good.
we're gonna have one lucky fan open the last pack.
Yeah, we got two fans that show up to our studio. They got lucky, so they're gonna open their last the last sticker for us. So
They flew in all the way from.
yeah, one from Congo and the other one from Panama. So shout out to them, please. Okay.
Oh look, I got a Japan.
Japan.
Oh, that's the first Japan that I see like that. We're gonna go.
Looking.
Nothing good on my side, Leo. This is so sad. I'm really
I got the
disappointed.
England.
So far, I haven't get my black sticker. Secure it.
Oh my purple one.
Sorry about that, guys. We got crazy fans
Oh no,
right
my
here.
purple one fell in.
Secure it, please. There you go. Sorry about that, guys. We're gonna drink Coke for stress.
Good luck, good luck.
Also, this is an official soccer ball from Mexico. If you haven't get your soccer ball, please go to Walmart ASAP.
Still nothing.
Secure it.
Got a shiny one.
Thank you, Mama. Please go over there. There's candy over there. There's candy.
Candy.
Fans, go get candy, okay? So far, nothing good, Leo. This is so sad.
I had a sticker fall in. I don't know how I'm gonna get
This is so sad for me. I'ma have to call.
Oh, wait. Okay, one more and we'll be
Yeah,
done.
one more. I'm gonna wait for you.
Give me a black one. Oh, I got I see a color.
You got purple.
A Colombian. Yeah, where are the Mexicans at?
Wow, at least you got two colorful. You got a pink and a purple.
Two purples.
I only got blue so far.
Alright, the purple ones are. The purple ones are
Simon, go.
1 out of 204.
Oh wow.
We're almost done, chat.
Sorry, I got a fan asking me for a picture, so I'm gonna give her a picture. There you go. There you go. Have fun with that picture, okay?
Alright, open the first one from that last one.
Yeah, that's first one.
What is that?
Okay, nothing good. This is all trash. I got all trash, chat.
Do you need the top of the trophy?
Yeah, I need it. Well, you too, no?
No, I already. Oh, is this a different one?
That's from the last World Cup.
I think I have the trophy, but this one has it too. I don't think I have this one.
So far, nothing good on my side, Leo. What's going on? This is so sad.
Alright,
Okay, we're gonna open this one. Nothing good.
is it still going? Is it dead? Okay.
I haven't getting nothing good in here.
We got Alexis Vega.
Okay, shout out to Alexis Vega. Follow me on Instagram, please.
Okay, we're gonna have two lucky fans open the last two packs.
Yeah, not mine, but yeah. Anyways, I got another Otamendi, baby.
We got a blue one. A ball
This is
Canadian.
not good. This is not good, Leo.
I didn't even get the Mexicans that I'm missing. That's the crazy part. I thought I was finishing the book today, but. Eee.
So trash.
Alright, here we go. Oh, I got Bebote. I needed him. I didn't have
Okay,
him.
first Mexican. You got Croatia.
Escudo.
You got the
A
team.
blue Curacao.
Wakanda.
Wakanda. Otro Pulisic. And we got two guys with nice hair. How many we got left, bro? I got 1, 2,
I got
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, you open one, it'll be even.
Okay. Number 6, baby.
Is there a black card in here, guys? What do y'all think, chat? Let us know in the comments.
We'll find out.
No.
This is all trash. Number 5.
Alright, number 5.
I can feel the black sticker right here.
Vargas.
No, I haven't get no black sticker.
Got
here.
Escudo. Dude from New Zealand. The guy who looks like
Nothing good here, chat. Nothing good.
nothing good here either.
We got 4 more left, Leo.
4 more. Again, I'm have one lucky fan from Panama.
And I got mine from Congo.
Bro, I need an aluminium ball and nothing.
This is all trash. I got Rafinha though. Trash, chat.
Ruben Diaz, Fabian Ruiz.
This is
Everything.
so trash.
I need aluminium ball. That's what I need. I don't have aluminium ball.
Number 3.
Two from Algeria. A guy from Uzbekistan. Oh, I got Memphis Depay. I didn't have Memphis Depay.
Okay, the goat.
Ahora tiene trencitas Memphis.
I think I'm gonna give it the lucky pack to my fan. She will choose this
The
one.
last one?
Yeah, she will choose this
Alright, this is also from my fan from
Panama.
Panama. Alright, get ready, fan. Let's see.
Nothing good here, chat. Nothing good.
His name is Van Heck.
Nothing good, chat. Nothing good.
Oh, look, we got a guy from Panama, Luis Mejia.
Okay.
¿Cuándo traes a caer? Bro, okay, I got Mbappe.
Oh, Mbappe.
Oh, no one, neither of us pulled Messi. I mean, I already had Messi, but.
We didn't even put a black sticker. Well, I didn't put a pink and.
Alright,
So-
lucky fan. Lucky
So
fan.
right now we're gonna co-order crazy fans. So I got mine from Congo. Please come to the
What's that?
camera.
Oh, she's gonna open it over there.
Oh yeah, sorry. So you don't see the screen. She's gonna get lucky right now. Sorry, she don't want to be in the cameras because she's too famous.
She'll be threatened in her country.
Yeah, she escaped actually. So she got
Oh, el bebote. Santi.
yeah Santi. That's
Switzerland.
trash.
Switzerland escudo.
Put me a black sticker or pink.
¿Qué pasó? The guy from Uruguay. Australia.
Trash. Man, I got the
A
trash.
black sticker?
I got the trash.
Oh, there's a
side.
fly.
I got the trash side.
The guy from Uzbekistan. And the last sticker is. Oh, Chino Huerta. Oh, she's
Thank you.
pequeño.
Thank you, fan. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Alright, Adriana, Panama girl. Oh, I was about to open it. Tell me to throw it at you? Oh! No.
Sorry, guys. A crazy fan.
This
just
is gonna
got
be
hit.
good luck because it hit her head.
You okay? ¿Dónde está la
Alright.
copa? ¿Dónde
What
está?
did you do? You put it in front of you?
Yeah, you show.
Okay, show it to the camera. USA player.
Oh, I'm really bad at this.
First black
That's
sticker.
a team?
That's a team. South Africa team.
Man, I need Mexico team.
First blue sticker.
Trash. Trash.
First black.
Oh, Germany.
Just because it's sparkling.
Messi. Trash.
He's like,
Well, guys,
oh, yeah, what? Show the
Lisa.
camera.
I feel like we got scammed. We got
It's the
scammed.
last pack?
Yeah, that was the last pack.
Oh, well, we
Yeah.
got scammed. Chat, we got scammed. But if you want to see more content like this, send everybody $10 each.
Yeah, we'll post the link in the comments below.
Yeah, Cash App sell.
Cash App, Zelle,
Yeah.
GoFundMe.
And then we're gonna sacrifice to go and open more for y'all.
Media, can
Oh,
you
yeah.
press stop? That's okay, it was over there. You can edit yours forever.
3,
Come
2,
on.
1.